Okay, here we are. Cars are okay. Rachel's car didn't get damaged. And here's the tree though. It came down from up top there. See that? That's the seventh tree. We lost the top of one of them. It came down over the power lines here. There's the power lines. Top of the street there's a huge tree right over the end of the street. This tree survived. A few little cables here which are okay. Just about. But this is the tree, look at it. Looks like it got struck by lightning or something. I don't know what it is. It's kind of weird. Or maybe just... it's huge. Oh my word. Enormous. Enormous tree came down. Some electrical wires here. They're down. Oh, look at that, the post fell. Electrical wires here all down. It's like carnage. Looks like Dan has a generator going or something. It's crazy. There's Daddy coming out. That's the tree down. Another tree down there. It's quite crazy. Yep. So that's some of the damage here. Alright, over and out.